This new ad strategy is absolutely printing qualified leads and qualified calls for ourselves and our clients. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what it is, how we're setting it up, and then also some of the results that we're seeing from it. If you don't know me already, my name is Jake. I'm the founder of Adstra. We use paid ads and AI to help our clients book hundreds of calls a month. And so if you've been struggling to book calls, you've been struggling to get leads, you've been struggling with an empty calendar, going to events, relying on referrals, relying on cold outreach, then this video is for you. And we do it all the time. And we just found a new way that I don't see anyone talking about, I don't see anyone leveraging, and the cost to advertise on this platform is the cheapest we found, right up next to Reddit, but Reddit, to be honest, doesn't really have that quality of traffic. So stick around, I'll be sharing you what it is, I'll be sharing you how to set it up, and I'll be sharing with you some of the results that we're getting from it. So if you are B2B and you're trying to book, enterprise deals, you're trying to book CTOs, CEOs, CFOs, decision makers, HR, etc., this will definitely work for you. If you are B2C coaching and you're working with really the general population of people, whether it's people who trade, people who are into fitness, people who are into making money online, all these things, okay? This ad platform is by far the best that we've found. The cheapest, the lowest cost per lead, and the lowest cost per call. And literally within a week of us running it, okay, for ourselves, we booked 5 calls, about $40, $50 a piece, which is 3x cheaper than what we're booking on Meta and Google. And they were all above $10 million. One of them is actually doing $80 million, which is insane. So I don't know what are the ramifications of this over the next year of running it, but I think that this is the largest opportunity, the biggest arbitrage. And as we know, the cost of advertising is only going to go up. So you better hop on this as fast as possible. So you might be thinking, what is this platform, right? Because essentially we're just talking about right now what the platform is. Now, let me be very clear. The CPM of a platform is determined by the advertisers that are on the platform. CPM is simply how much you pay for 1,000 impressions. So if it's cheaper, you can show it to more people for cheaper. If it's more expensive, you can show it to more people for obviously more money. And so everything is downstream from CPMs, your cost per lead, your cost per click, your cost per qualified call. If I have to spend $100 to show it to 1,000 people, that's not going to be as effective as me being able to spend $10 to show it to 1,000 people. Just to put it in perspective, typically you pay a higher CPM if the audience is more sophisticated, if there are more dollars being spent on getting those particular eyeballs. Let's say you're going after CTOs, let's say you're going after CEOs. If it's expensive to run advertising to them, because there's a lot of people doing that, then that's going to be obviously the auction that you have to pay. Platform by platform by platform, however, it varies. And what we're talking about today is running ads on X. I know it might sound crazy, it might sound ridiculous, but I swear this is the biggest opportunity. Just to put in perspective right now, my CPMs on Meta is about $50 to $60 because I run a sales campaign and I also run lead-based campaigns, okay? And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with my $15 cost per lead. I'm okay with my $100 to $150 cost per booked call. I'm okay with my CAC. I'm okay with those numbers, okay? And I think the free report that we're running, which is, if you want to check out the free report, it's in the description, shows you how to book 100 plus calls, start to finish. It's a 70-page report. I wrote it. I love it. I run most of the traffic to that, about 30 grand a month in traffic to that. And the CPM there is like 30 to 40. And then I also run ads to a low ticket product, which you can see below as well. It's $27. That is, in the US market, it's about $80 to $100 CPM. Still works. Cost per click is like $4 or $5. Still works. Still is profitable, which I'm very proud of. And so keep in mind that I've been okay with these CPMs until I got onto X and I realized, oh, wait, there's an opportunity here. To put it into perspective, a sales/lead campaign on X is only $10 per 1,000 visitors, okay? So you literally can pay $10 for 1,000 people to see it. Our client is getting like a $6 CPM because the market, she's going after B2C. So in a B2B perspective, it's about $10 for us right now. And let it be known, we have generated leads so far from the biggest names you've ever heard of in SaaS and also in private equity and also in the healthcare space and all these things. I'm not going to go into who they are. Okay, but let it be very clear, like I'm very, very, very happy with the quality of lead. And that was my premonition on the beginning when I was starting X ads. I was like, well, there's no way that they're quality. There's no way. Before running X, when it was Dorsey running it and it wasn't Elon, I think that they undervalued their advertisers, and they also were very political. And so it was really more of a brand awareness platform, which to me, I don't really care about. I think you build brand awareness by generating leads and giving them free stuff. In the case for viewers and whatnot, X made sense back in the day. But now with Elon, and especially the introduction of Grok, you're able to use Grok within the ad platform. And then within a day of me starting the ad account, I had somebody reach out to me offering help. And like, if you know anything about the support staff on advertising platforms, they're terrible, right? And so it's very clear that like they are making it very easy and very good for advertisers to go to their platform to spend money. Also, you can buy like a gold subscription or whatever for your enterprise, and they'll give you the ad credits. So I think it's like 20 grand a year or something like that you can get like the gold check mark, and you can put hiring ads on X and whatnot. And then they give you 20 grand in ad credits, which is like, why not? If you're going to spend that already, you might as well get the gold check, because it's pretty dang cool. So I really love some of the things that they're doing on the support front. But with the Grok part, okay, in terms of setting up these campaigns, it's the simplest I've ever seen. Okay, so Facebook, Google, let it be very clear, like it's a labyrinth. Okay, very hard to set up. You have a lot of different settings, you have a lot of different technical stuff going on. And setting out the campaign, you just put in your credit card. Okay, doing leads, which is why you're watching these videos, to get leads. So you're going to do a sales or lead based campaign. Okay, don't do anything else. Don't do engagement. Don't do any of that stuff. It doesn't make any sense. I don't believe in that. Go straight to lead and sales based. Okay, and then on the ad group level, which is like ad set, that's the kind of supplementary nomenclature, I guess you could say, for ad set, which is what you'll see on Facebook. It's ad group. And on the ad group, all you need to do is download the X Pro Targeting Chrome extension. I'll put it in the description. It's free. You click on it. You say, we help X person do Y in Z location. And it literally creates your targeting for you. So a little bit about the targeting on X is that it's going to give you follower lookalikes. So, based on your target market, it's going to give you people on X that have followers of your ICP. What I recommend is having at least 100 to 150 minimally of those people. So for me, I'm targeting a lot of SaaS companies. So I have like David Sachs, I have like the owner of Airbnb, I have like Y Combinator, all these things, right? Because of course, SaaS companies are going to follow those people. Okay. And let it be known, it's been working pretty well. Another thing that you can do is go into Claude and say, hey, this is who I help. This is a little bit about me. This is a little bit, about the company. I'm running X ads. Can you give me 150 to 200 X accounts that have followers of these people? And you can just bulk upload those, right? Just give me the usernames. I'll bulk upload them. It works perfect. And then you can also say, hey, give me some keywords, give me some interest based off of that. Really, I wouldn't mess around with behaviors and all that other stuff, but the keywords are pretty good. All you need to do is keyword, followers. You don't need to mess with the placements. You don't need to mess with any other of the kind of widgets inside of there when it comes to like what device are they going to be using, what have you. If you do launch it and you do find that you're getting some bot traffic, which I haven't seen yet, you can just make it so that it's only iPhone people, okay? And you can also make it so it's only premium subscribers. The reason why I wouldn't do that is because I did do that earlier and I tested it and it was more expensive and the lead quality was no different. So I would just keep the targeting the same, keep it very boilerplate, and then just add in followers and add in keywords in there using Claude and also using X Pro targeting. And then when it comes to the ad front, let me be very clear, okay? Do not overthink this. I can show you my ad that I'm running that's really successful. I can show you in a second. But I've tested long form, like filling up the entire, because it's a tweet. So I don't know if we can call it a tweet still, but I used every letter I can possibly use to fill it all the way up. And it was like a hook, the meat, the problem, solution, and then CTA. all I did to test this was I tested really short form, and the short form is doing much, much better. And the short form is just like interruption-based hook, right? A really disagreeable statement, and then like, hey, download this thing. And I always recommend running ads for leads to download something for free. Make sure the thing is good. Make sure your funnel is working. Okay, but this is not a video about funnels. I'll show you the ads in a second. But literally, I just took my highest performing ads on Meta and just copied and pasted them. That's all I did. And then made the copy super short, super direct, and it's absolutely crushing. Let me show you. Okay, so I'll pull up right now so you're able to see this. Okay, so cost per lead, half. So this is what I have for me so far. Okay, this last few days. Okay, $7.50 lead. This SaaS followers cold data short form, this first one here that I'm looking at here, literally brought in companies doing well over 30 million a year. I ask for that when they get the free report. And so I know, and I looked at their domain, and it's a business domain. And we love that as marketers to get the business domain, right? So let me know. It's crushing. And you don't see this, but impressions on the right side, I'm getting so many impressions, so many clicks. Like my funnel is getting so much more traffic, so much more clicks. And the opt-in rate did go down just because it's a lot of traffic. But like as a marketer, when you're already running ads, your thought process is to obviously make more better creative. But the conversation turns to, okay, well, I know I have a winning funnel. I know people book a call. How can I 10x my traffic? And this is literally with very little money, because I can 10x my traffic on Meta by 10xing my spend. I don't really want to do that. I don't have the calendar availability for it, but I can put a fraction of that into X and get that 10x. Okay, so I'm getting so much more traffic, and as you can see, booked already 4 calls in the last few days. We booked a total of 5 calls. That cost per call is insane. Like I've never seen lower than 75 for me on Meta. Maybe some days, but over a month over month period, like I will always see 100, 150. And I'm okay with that. My CAC is good. I'm okay with that. But this is absolutely remarkable. Let me be very clear. It's absolutely remarkable. And then for one of our clients, they're getting leads for $4 a piece. So, and getting booked calls for like $20, $30. So I can pull up the ads now. So let's take a look at the ads. So like I said, this is the one that's getting the lowest cost per lead. Okay. This is it, fellas. That's it. Disagreeable hook. Okay. Justify it. CTA. Like literally 2 to 3 lines is all you need. And then winning creative. Okay. If you don't know how to make creatives, I have another video somewhere around here. I can link the video on how to make creatives using AI, making really good creatives. This is an AI creative, and it's a really good creative. This creative works for SaaS companies and business owners because it has HubSpot, which is a pattern match. And so people are going to instantly see that and resonate with it. But then if you look on the headline's very simple. Free report for SaaS companies. So it can be the thing for person. I wouldn't complicate it. I mean, I'm getting the cheapest cost per lead. I'm probably going to test more and more copy. I'm going to test more and more creative. But let me be very clear. Like, this is absolutely remarkable. Okay. So let me be very clear. It's the easiest to set up. It is the fastest to the dollar. Once you start running these, let it run for 7 days. Okay. So if you're comfortable with spending $70, then do $10 a day. If you're comfortable with spending $7,000, do $1,000 a day. Really, it doesn't matter. Okay. But let them run for 7 days. Give or take, okay? And as you can see, like I don't have the full scope here and I haven't spent a whole boatload of money, but I'm going to be spending a whole boatload of money on this, okay? And I'm making this video preemptively because I believe that I want to share with you everything that I'm learning, because my goal is that you make a lot of money and then you come to us when you're making a lot of money and say, hey, I need you to run my ads, okay? So I want to be the reason why you make a lot of money, and then I want you to come to us afterwards and be like, I want you to make us more money, which is exactly why I'm doing this video. Very selfishly speaking, I do give away all my value. I do give away all the things that I'm learning. I do give away all the things that I'm doing. However, just keep in mind, we do want to get paid, okay, eventually. And so if you are looking for a partner to run X ads for you so we can get you leads for this cheap and book calls for this cheap, please go below and book a call. Okay, we would love to talk about if we can possibly help you. We can't help everybody, so we would love to talk about if we can possibly help, and if we can, we'll show you how it works. But X in particular, I want to be very clear, like this works for the majority of businesses, 90 to 95%. I can't see many businesses that this won't work for. And I think the numbers just make a lot of sense. Okay. So that's it for the video. Hope you got value. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.